Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn what is conditional formatting. For that I already have created one Excel file. So let me introduce conditional formatting. What exactly it is? Conditional formatting is formatting a particular cell and its contents, its appearance depending upon the value available within it. So if you want a particular cell to look like differently depending upon its value available there. For example, if in the list of students a student is getting A grade, it should look green. If it is B grade, it should look red. If it is C grade, it should look black, like this. Suppose, depending upon the available marks such as in this list, one list is being created just like the student name and the mark. If you think, depending upon the available mark, the background of the cell, the color of the background should change and it should be automatically, then the conditional formatting plays its role there. So for that, what we need to do, we have to select the range where the conditional formatting has to be applied, just like this. Suppose this is where the range we have to apply conditional formatting. So this is the range that I have selected, which contains the mark for different students, and for that range I will apply conditional formatting. And my conditional formatting rule will be, if the mark is less than 50, then the background of the cell should look red. If it is 50, let it be white. If it is more than 50, then let it be green. So how to apply this rule to these cells as conditional formatting? Go to home menu. In home menu, you will get one option in the ribbon, conditional formatting. Highlight cell rule. If it is greater than 50, then let the color to be green. The background to be green and the text to be dark green. Okay. Apply another rule for less than 50 for the same range once again. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, less than 50. Then light red with dark red text, it is there. So let us see. Automatically it is getting colored, just like if the value is less than 50, then the background is light red, the text is deep red. If it is more than 50, the background is light green and the text is deep green. And if it is exactly 50 for that range, then it is white, as we intended. So manually let us change any value and let us see if it is changing automatically. I'll come to this value. It is 52 and the background is green. I'll make it 50 and enter. Automatically it is changing to white. I'll make it this 66 value to be 46 and enter. Automatically it is changing. So it is working, at least. Now let us come to another example which already I have created in the previous sheet. This is a data table, and the data table is containing the calculation, a tabular calculation for a principal of 10,000, amount, rate of interest to be 12% per annum, and term is 1. And the simple calculation is what is the amount of interest that has to be for this data. 10,000, 12% interest in one term 1 year. So now it comes to 1,200, and I'm putting this particular formula here as for different term and different interests. So this is a data table, and already we have discussed what data table is. Now for the calculated area of this data table, the same conditional formatting will apply. So let us select the calculated range, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule. If it is greater than half of this, so our rule will be, if the interest amount is more than half of the principal, then it should look red. If it is less than half of the principal, it should look green. So format cell that are greater than the principal amount divided by 2 to make it half. Okay, make it, if it is greater, okay, and the same range will go for conditional formatting for highlighted cell rule less than this amount divided by 2 for half, and it should be green. Okay, let us see. Coming now. So that is how H for previous one and H for the last one we have created conditional formatting for this, and hope you will try it and enjoy it. Thank you all for watching.